Welcome to the Shop of the Wood Craftsman. I've put together a video series for you to show you how these shop cabinets were made to complement the miter saw station that I had did. I believe it was late 2015, early part of 2016, where I have several videos I uploaded on doing this new miter saw station here. This was open for the longest time, and I finally took the time to do it. And the video series is going to show you basically from start to finish how these cabinets are created. Now, these are a budget build shop cabinet. I had materials that I could have used here in the shop, but because the materials I use are more premium and I wanted something more of a budget build, just for the simple reason that to me it's a waste to use materials that you could actually be selling to a customer, making a quality product. So what I opted on doing was actually going to the local box store. Actually, I went to two different ones, and I got 1/2-inch melamine and 1/4-inch melamine for the cabinets, sides, tops, and then the 1/4-inch for the backs. And then I used clear pine for the face frames. Now, originally I thought, you know what, I'll just get a sheet of 3/4-inch melamine and I'll make that for the doors. But then I thought, well, you know what, the melamine might not match the leftover all-in-one white paint that I have. So I thought, you know what, for the sake of the video, I'm actually going to show you guys how I make 5-piece doors as well. So these are actually 5-piece doors. Now, being I started this, when I go through this disaster, when I make these cabinets over, I'll probably end up doing the same thing, but I might actually make these doors up here without panels and maybe use plexiglass or something. But then again, I can see how it's going to collect dust, so we'll see. So basically, I bought the clear pine 1/2-inch melamine and 1/4-inch melamine, and I ended up buying 26-inch drawer guides for these drawers. What I did not buy was the pulls and the hinges, which I had left over for something that the hinges actually were from when I purchased the hinge boring machine. The guy gave me a bunch of hinges to go with it. They're the Bloom knockoffs, so I don't actually intend on using them for the customer, but they're good for the shop here, so I've got plenty for this mess. And then these here, these pulls I had laying around because these were sent to me by the manufacturer to replace some defective ones that a customer had gotten from one of the big box store, and ended up using the defective ones anyways and making them work. So I had a bunch of these to use. So and the white paint I used was Glidden all-in-one paint and primer. I sprayed out 2 coats of that with a HVLP gravity feed, and then to put a protective finish over it, I utilized the Valspar Zenith pre-catalyzed waterborne lacquer as a final finish. So you'll get to see some finishing here as well. All right, so I'll show you the video series here now, but basically you're going to see everything from start to finish, and you'll get to see a lot of action in these videos in this video series. Hope you guys enjoy the video series. Questions and positive comments are welcome. All right, here's the video. Thanks for watching.